Just like you, I often need power now.
It's the Datexx PowerNow PN-1 model with LED lamps and lanterns and portable power, 2400 milliamps USB on the go.
Welcome to another product review from Spike Studio. This time Datexx has sent us over PowerNow. It's another USB charging device. This one includes some other extras, which we'll talk about. Simple packaging. It's a 2400 milliamp charger this time, and it's supposed to charge your iPhone, your Android, whatever you can plug into it that would then hook into its USB on the end. So the packaging itself is just a little bit of cardboard. It comes with one cable. It's the micro to the USB. So this will be both charging it when you need to charge it up, as well as the reverse when you need to charge a device that has that type of connector. If you have an iPhone, the cable is not included. We'll make note of that, not included. So for the Androids, the BlackBerries, the cable's included. The device itself takes about 6 hours to fully charge. We're taking out, they did some simple packaging, not a big deal. It was really nice of them to do. So what does it have included with it? It has the on-off switch on the side with their name, and then you'll notice there's a light on the top and a couple of little sliders and points. When you're going to charge the device, you'll notice on the top it has the micro USB part. That's where you'll plug in the provided cable or any micro USB charger that you have. Plug it into here. If the light is red, it's charging. If it's green, it's done charging. It's that simple. It doesn't blink, it doesn't flash. One thing missing from the sides of this is how much charge is left. So you're never really sure how much is in here, but the box says that it stays good for up to a year. Needless to say, we couldn't test it that long. We didn't have it sitting around for a year to make sure it held its charge, but they say it will. What they have on the back side is when you're ready to charge is this little gray slider. That's where you put the USB part in before you plug your device in. And when you do, it's supposedly a smart jack technology, meaning now that it knows something's plugged in, it powers it. Otherwise, when you pull it out and it closes, it's supposed to turn off all power to this jack to conserve. If there's nothing plugged in, I'm not sure where it would go otherwise except normal degradation over time. The other parts it has. The first time you click the power button on the side, it has a lantern on the top. I know that was probably bright for you. Lantern on the top. What I did like was this thing stayed lit just like this from a full charge over 24 hours. So this LED lantern that we have, I turned it on, I let it sit, carried it around, it stayed lit for 24 hours. It started dimming over time. When I got to the very end, it was barely there, but that's a long time to have it. The next thing you can do if you click it again is you get one of the side LED lamps, and there's 4 of them on the side. So you get one, or click it one more time, and it gets a halo effect. So what you end up getting is a halo of light that pretty much projects down a little bit into the sides, but it's really cool. Set on the table, you'll be able to see or read. This is great when you're on the road. How long did it last? Well, I plugged this into an HTC EVO, as well as, that's the EVO 4G LTE, as well as a BlackBerry Z10. Both of them got about 60% charge. Not off of one charge of this, but meaning when they were down to nothing and I used this to charge it, they both got about 60% back. Not bad. I do like the lights that are with it. We've reviewed some other ones that have a little bit stronger battery power inside of them, some of them up to 3,800 milliamps. This one though, 2400. It is the PowerNow, the PN-1 from Datexx. We thank them for sending it over. So make sure you subscribe to the playlist. We have reviewed numerous other portable chargers just like this one that are USB chargers. If you want to see something else from the products, please let us know in the comments, send us a note. Otherwise, let them know on Amazon that our reviews are helpful to you, and it's another product review from Spike Studio.